Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to get a soft glossy fall look inspired by Pinterest. Let's get started. Starting with a skin prep, I am applying a hydrating serum all over my face to get that perfect base. Then I am adding a second serum to give my skin a glossy, radiant finish, ideal for makeup. And then for my eyes, I am using CeraVe Eye Moisturizer to keep them hydrated and smooth, followed by a full face moisturizer to lock everything in. Skin prep is the most important part, so make sure you do it too. Next, I am using a liquid highlighter cream on key areas of my face to create that natural glow. Now I am picking a lightweight contour and applying it to my forehead, cheeks, and nose. It will take a bit of blending, but I love the smooth, soft finish it gives. It will snatch your look. One of my favorite fall memories is from last year. I decided to go on a little weekend trip to a nearby spot where the leaves turn those gorgeous shades of red and gold. Those I like those shades so much of the leaves. I picked up my favorite oversized sweater and of course my makeup essentials, hoping to capture some for that fall magic. I ended up having a mini photo shoot there. I love taking photos. Gosh, they are so like there I know that's a girly type of thing, right? Just surrounded by all those colors, and it felt like stepping into one of those Pinterest worlds. I'm attaching my nose contour to my eyes too to give the snatched look. And remember to blend out your contour. Blending out contour is the most important part of the makeup. And I'm applying some contour around my lips too to make them pop up. You can skip this part if you want. Then I'm going with a light concealer under my eyes and a few other areas, blending it out well. You can blend it out with brush or a sponge, anything you are comfortable with. I'm blending it here with a sponge. To add warmth and definition, I am using bronzer on my cheeks and nose and on my forehead. Now for some color, I am applying a blush with glossy particles that will give my face a beautiful highlighted look, and applying a bit on my nose too. Next, I am setting my brows to keep them neat. For my eyes, I am dusting on a bit of compact powder to prep. Then taking a liquid concealer to apply under my chin and a touch on my forehead and beneath my eyes too, blending it smoothly to give this clean look. And again I'm blending it with a sponge, applying some falsies, and then I apply a more darker blush to my upper cheek area to make them look snatched and more good. And then again I'm blending it with a sponge or beauty blender, whatever you call it. And then I applied some highlighter. For the lips, I am using a light pink lip liner first and blending it out, smudging it out for that fine look. And now I am applying a brown lipstick to smudge and blend for a soft effect. You can apply whatever shade you want, but this lip combo was the bomb one, so I chose that. Then I'm topping it off with a creamy nude lipstick and a gloss to make my lips look full and plump. That's the final look, perfect for fall. Hope you all love it. Let me know in the comment box how you guys find this look. Should I try these looks more? Some different kinda. Any suggestion or a makeup look you want me to try out? Let me know in the comment section.